In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new brush files to GIMP, the free and open source graphics editor. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user, enhancing your brush collection can significantly elevate your creative projects. So let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your computer where your new brush files are stored. Find the files you'd like to add to GIMP. Right-click on them, and from the drop-down menu, choose to copy them, or if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl and C at the same time. This action copies the files to your clipboard, making them ready to be transferred into GIMP. Now, with your brush files copied, open GIMP if you haven't already. Once inside GIMP, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down options, select Preferences. This area is where you can access all sorts of configurations and settings for GIMP. In the Preferences window, look over to the left-hand pane. You'll see a list there. What we need to do here is expand this list by clicking the little plus sign next to the word Folders. It unfolds a variety of folder options that GIMP uses for storing different types of resources. From the expanded list, go ahead and click on Brushes. You'll now see the right-hand pane displaying a selection of folders. These represent paths where GIMP looks for brush files. For adding your new ones, you need to select a writable folder. This is typically your personal directory, where you have permissions to make changes. Next to this directory, there's an icon that looks like a file drawer. Click on it. This action opens the directory on your computer so you can paste the brush files you copied earlier. Inside the opened folder, right-click, and from the menu that appears, choose Paste. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and V. Voila! Your new brushes are now in the correct folder, ready to be used in GIMP. Now, return to GIMP and it's time to see your new brushes in action. Open the Brushes panel within GIMP. At the bottom of this panel, you'll find a refresh icon. It's often represented by two circular arrows forming a circle. Give that icon a click. Doing so instructs GIMP to reload the brush files, and the brushes you just added should now be visible. And that's it. You've successfully added new brushes to GIMP. Congratulations, you're all set to let your creativity flow with a wider array of tools at your fingertips. Enjoy experimenting with your new brushes and watch your projects come to life with more texture and detail. Thank you for following along, and happy creating.